Hello, my name is Darius, and I'm super excited to introduce you to InterioApp, our game-changing tool for curtain and blind industry. Whether you are starting out or looking to grow, you are in the right spot. So let's dive straight into a common scene. Imagine yourself spending hours showcasing beautiful fabric samples without being able to instantly provide a quote. It's frustrating, isn't it? And guess what? Nearly 70% of curtain businesses face the same challenge, losing potential customers due to complex and slow quoting processes. But here's some good news. InterioApp is here to transform that. Imagine digitizing your entire process from quoting to managing orders and even handling payments all in one place. And it's not just about speed, it's about making your business way smoother and more reliable. With our software, it's not just about numbers. We have designed tools to keep your projects organized and support your creative process, making it easier for decorators and small businesses to thrive in this digital era. And if you are thinking of starting your own business or maybe expanding your reach online, InterioApp will guide you in every step of the way. From setting up your first project to showcasing your services online, we make it all feel like a breeze. And if you are wondering why to choose us, because we understand your needs. Our solutions are tailored, intuitive, and crafted from real industry experience. We are not just a tool, we are your partner in growth, ensuring you get the right fit from the start. So, getting started is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Simply book a demo, choose your package, and let us handle the setup and training. And the best part, our support team is always ready to assist, ensuring your business never skips a beat.